So friend, this is my video part print management 7. So this video I am showing you. Last my previous video I am talk about these users. Different user create printing and printer was using these systems here. So this time in the printer how many type of user using printer here, and this is a security wise printing and security wise using these printer system, because in companies not all of user using a printer, and some users are using a printer printing management. So sometime user unauthorized using printing and printing systems here. So that is one type of security for your printer management. So how give a security for printer and printer management, and second is how this implement. So must watch my last previous video because this is very important for you, and this continue video part 6, because this is part my print management part 7 here. So last previous video I am showing you how many type of user and using systems here. So let's start here Windows inside the print management. So this is a print management part 7. So let's start here. Different group and user working different systems, and the system working here. So you can see everyone means your this is everyone is a one type of group, not user. So user is a one type of single main here, you can see this here, and everyone is a two minimum, you can see here. So what is a add, what is a remove? So you can add your group, you can remove your group, but we are talking about and understand first here permission for everyone. So what is a permission for and everyone? Okay, so you can see here allow, and allow, you want allow means click allow your permission, and deny means you deny your permission, you can see here. So this is a printer windows here, and you can see first printer management in first administrative tools in different print management systems here. So print management, these tools allow your some user, allow your permission user. So maybe you print your documents, so first going through print management settings your data, because some system, some communication, some your security first important for a computer here. Okay, so you can see here, so allow and deny here. Okay, so first everyone click on here. Everyone means this is a group one type over here. So group and user all of mixed here. Okay, so first you can see HP color laser, this printer model, every group using here, some user not using here, so you can change here, give permission here. Okay, so in your company environment, in your company environment, some PC not allow for printer, so some PC not allow for printing system. So this is a very important for your settings for your printer and security settings here. So that means your some computer, not all of computer print document, not print your computer printer systems here. So that means your security give for your computer environment in computer systems here. So PC, you can see these are my all of user and group here, and these are working behavior with my printer and my network communication with my this computer here. So you can see my first everyone means here, you can see permission for everyone. So everyone is one type of group. You can change here, you can create around this is my, you can change name here. Okay, so different working here, and the system through here. So PC is a one is my user, and this is my group. So I'm just showing group. Group means your one type, your create your multiple user, and one in you add your group systems here. So we can see action, and these is all of our printer systems working by my group and group policies and group systems here. And that time is user permission is, so you can see my permission give. I'm not this user using printer, not printer using maybe I'm give allow, not using a manage printer. So you can change here. So first you want decide these PC, these systems using here. So this is a print, I'm give printer, and this user using a manage this printer. But I don't like these you know sometime like sometime not like your print management services, print management. Maybe you change your printer settings here. So this reason I cannot give allow, and sometime give allow systems here. So you first you like here. So but in your big company, big multiple network systems in environment here. So printer manage this printer, this option not give every computer system, because some printer maybe you know or some user maybe go by default coming here, sometime by mistake coming these settings here, and you change your settings. So that means your communication, your lost your systems here. And all application packages creator owner, and sky. So this is my sky is administrator user and administrator PC, this group here. So administrator user and administrator group, simple user in simple group. You can see this is my administrator. So two is one means your group here, and one means your you can see here. So how can you add your main advanced security settings for HP? You can add print this security for your your user, your printer, your system, your group. This all of permission system give different area side. So your folder, you can change your folder security, every security in this all of settings available in the system. But I'm talking about only printer here. So you can see these printers. So first understand this is a I'm give two type, and this is a second is you can add your through your system through. So this is an advanced system, and advanced give options here. So auditing, why using any additional system. So you can add auditing means additional information, double click audit entry, and you can modify audit entry and select entry and click edit system. So why give auditing system? Auditing system, you can audit who is busy using this your printer, and how many tab using these busy. So auditing, why using auditing is one type of information in event viewer. So go my previous watch my video, and why using event viewer. So event viewer information give in these systems here. So select a first principal, and in entry for only SP these printer. But you can add other system for folder system, partition system, and your document system. But I'm just talking about printer only. So this is a two type your this window system sending here, auditing here, and these advanced security settings, and this is the auditing in these settings here. So auditing is one type of why calling auditing, because we want right information and always information send this auditing. So first we want your printing auditing, this information sending your server and your computer client. So add and click on and with your this showing gray out options here, but not this in this permissions here. So first permission showing here, this is all of showing user and group here. You can see allow type here. Okay, so administrator group, and you can see here access, not access, different user working different setting, and other working. So you can see effective access, allow you to view the different effective permission for user group or devices account if the domain and your local work group systems here. You can also evaluate the impact of potential additional to the security token for the account, and adding a group, any group that intent group is a member of must add it. So that means what is you want first add your principals and systems, and you must add your member here. So you can say member windows here and find now systems, click on find now. So find now is the one type of find your all of your all of user and systems and your group here. So you can see this two is a one type of group and single is a one of group. So I like this group, not a group, this is a group, this is a group, and this is a user here. So I click on this. Build is my local user here, and sky is my administrator user here. So you can see this user group building principles. So this is a common query is not using for your graph. So why using common queries, why using systems here in these systems here. So first you can see these are my main group means my main user using only local, and I give this user on my permissions here. So you can see allow all of so tap what is allow here. So tap first, select here you want allow all of our systems here. So you can see my print my this user. So you want advanced system means your click on advanced, so that is all of our options you can see, and click on advanced, all of user this permission system showing here. So advanced permission, you can change your permission for this user here. So you log in this user. So what is your type, deny and allow here. So you can change here. So this user print this printer here. So you can see my first check your user, so PC name, and after you can see my username here. So this is a user print here. Okay, complete. And manage your this the document. So manage this document but not manage printer, and read permission, yes, okay. Change permission, not change permission, and give because maybe this user change permission this printer and printer settings here. And take ownership. So ownership means your all of printer, these all of your settings you can change here. So I don't like these settings, but you maybe only print and read permission local user only and local group here. But you can create your printer and print system, and you change your system. So click on your take ownership, and it means your owner your printer, and you can change your print management services, print management and setting systems here. So most important company is not using this, not give allow change permission, because local user only using printing and read permission only, not read by permission give, because sometimes changing here. So allow means you this not allowing here, so not allowing. And you can deny means you deny means you stop your these options here. So not accessible these features, manage document, so you can manage these document these user here. So you this is my local computer here, but you using a server, so server in server management system, these give options here. So you can see first in management document and change permission documents here, systems here. So change permission is showing here, and change printing is system and management and documents here. So you can see take ownership means your owner of your document systems here. And you can change your document permissions here. So I like only allow type here, and allow deny means you can deny your all of your permission. So advanced option means you deny your systems here. So not printing, not reading, and not your change permission. So reading inside you can see here in these systems here. So click on deny or allow any. So you have permission entries here. So permission entries is showing here. Deny these system, allow this system here. So I don't like these because deny you give these permission, so that means this user not give permission, not printing any documents here. So this is a very important document systems here in the system here. So you click on apply, and apply must click on this button. You can you can deny permission entry, deny, take preferences, and over allow entries and group and two groups here, and permission and another, you member your computer two groups, and you one is allow permission, another is deny same permissions here. So this will give a warning and a message here. So that means your this my system not print your documents. So deny is here, okay, and click on it. So I'm just like this allow here, and I like this user print only and read only document and take ownership. That means your this owner of data document. So this is a change automatically allow here, you can see, and showing me permission entries here. So you can change here. Auditing, you can call your any auditing, how any auditing for information select principle here. And I like these user may be changing anything. So I want information log of I can check and anything. So this user anything changing, so automatically give you notification, and you can see success and fail all. So all means all permission showing here. So printing complete, so that means give a success. Fail means fail. So anything you want means all of detail give here. So three tab here, all, fail and success, three tab available, tab here, okay. So all I'm give of permission, this mean this user give permission, give a printing printer to print a document. So success, that time automatically give permission in your event viewer. So I'm already fail select here. So fail means your these sometime error you fail. So fail or only fail document give here, and all means fail and success, both information sending in my event viewer systems here. So event viewer is one type of information, and watch my previous viewer, event viewer. So both you can add here system, okay. So friends, this video continue in settings part Windows. This is my video part 8. So how many types give permissions and allow, deny for printing and printer systems, because this is very important for your computer and between the computer network and the printer systems here. So this management completely using for your computer and other systems here. So thanks to watching my video. I will continue this video in print management part 8. So thanks to watching my video. Have a nice day, and click on subscribe button, click on bell icon, click on share your friends this my video. So thanks to watching my video. Have a nice day.